Did you know that over 70% of self-made millionaires face at least one major financial setback before reaching success? That's not just a statistic, it's reality. And trust me, I've lived it. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how I went from making $10,000 a month to losing it all, and how I rebuilt my income faster than I ever thought possible. Stick around, because I'm not just sharing my story, I'll show you how you can do the same. Let me take you back to where it all started. A few years ago, I cracked the code to making $10,000 a month. I thought I had it all figured out. Consistent income, big dreams, and financial freedom in sight. But life had other plans. Through a mix of bad decisions and unexpected challenges, I went from thriving to barely surviving. But here's the thing. Losing it all wasn't the end. It was the wake-up call I needed to create a stronger, smarter, and more sustainable path to financial success. And in this video, I'll break down how I rebuilt my income, step by step, while revealing actionable strategies that you can apply to your own hustle today. Let me make one thing clear. Not watching this video could cost you big. The insights I'm sharing are the difference between financial struggle and success. When I started out, I had nothing but a laptop, an internet connection, and a relentless drive. I tapped into the growing demand for digital services, freelancing, affiliate marketing, and even flipping products online. By mastering one skill at a time and reinvesting my profits, I scaled my income month over month. Here's how you can start. Step 1. Identify a high-income skill. In 2025, skills like copywriting, video editing, or digital marketing are still in demand. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can connect you with clients willing to pay top dollar. Step 2. Create a portfolio and pitch. Even if you're a beginner, showcase mock projects. When I started, my first gig paid $50, but that client's referral snowballed into a $5,000 project. Step 3. Scale with multiple streams. Once you've built momentum, diversify. In my case, I launched a course teaching others how to replicate my success, adding an extra $4,000 per month. Step 4. Leverage networking opportunities. Attend online forums or local events in your niche. Building relationships opens doors to higher-paying gigs and partnerships. Step 5. Automate where possible. Tools like social media schedulers or CRM software can free up time, letting you focus on high-impact tasks. If you're still watching, ask yourself, what's stopping you from starting? Is it fear or just procrastination? Now here's where I went wrong. I got comfortable. I splurged on luxuries, ignored my savings plan, and took risky shortcuts to scale faster. It only took one bad investment to derail everything. Suddenly, my once steady $10,000 per month became a series of losses. Here are a few lessons for you that will help you avoid the blunders I made. Firstly, avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because your income grows doesn't mean your expenses should. Set aside 20% of every paycheck for savings or investments. Second, vet your investments. In 2025, opportunities like crypto and tech startups are tempting, but always do your homework. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Third, maintain an emergency fund. I didn't have a 6-month safety net, and it cost me dearly. Start building yours today. Even $100 per month adds up. Fourth, learn to say no. Turning down flashy opportunities can save you from unnecessary risks. Discipline is your best financial weapon. And lastly, reflect and reassess regularly. Periodically review your financial plan and make adjustments as needed. Quick question. What's worse, missing out on an opportunity or losing everything you've built? Think about it. So, when I hit rock bottom, I realized I needed to rebuild smarter. Here's exactly how I did it. Step 1. Audit and adjust. I listed every expense and cut unnecessary costs. For example, I swapped my luxury gym membership for a free app. Step 2. Focus on quick wins. I went back to freelancing, prioritizing high-paying clients. If you're in a similar spot, Focus on gigs that pay immediately. Consulting, editing, or tutoring are great options. Step 3. Leverage automation. I automated parts of my business using tools like Zapier and AI-driven apps. It saved time and increased my productivity by 40%. Step 4. Build passive income streams. Start small with affiliate marketing or digital products. Even an extra $500 per month adds up over time. Step 5. Reconnect and rebuild relationships. Reach out to past clients or mentors. Networking can fast-track your recovery and open doors you didn't expect. Step 6. Educate yourself continuously. Stay updated with financial trends. Courses, books, or podcasts can provide invaluable insights. If you faced setbacks, here's how you can recover. Firstly, find low-cost tools. Many platforms offer free trials or discounts. Use them to cut overhead. And most importantly, rebuild your network. Connect with past clients or mentors on LinkedIn. One message could lead to your next big opportunity. Here's a challenge. Comment below one expense you'll cut today to improve your financial health. The turning point came when I signed a $15,000 deal, my biggest project yet. But it wasn't luck. It was the result of every mistake, every adjustment, and every lesson learned along the way. That's when I realized success isn't about avoiding failure. It's about mastering the art of bouncing back. Here's what I want you to take away. Making $10,000 per month is possible. Avoiding financial mistakes is possible. And bouncing back from setbacks? That's more than possible. It's inevitable if you have the right mindset and strategies. Remember, your hustle is your ladder. Climb it wisely. If you found value in this video, don't stop here. Watch my playlist 2025 Cheat Codes, where I break down proven strategies for financial success this year. Subscribe now and don't miss out on the insights that get-rich-quick gurus won't tell you. The clock is ticking. Your financial future starts today.